Whether you've been heat printing for a little while or you're just getting started, there are a few common printing mistakes we all make. The good news is, most of these issues are super easy to fix once you know what to look for. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 of the most common mistakes that we see people making using a heat press. These are things that can affect quality, durability, and consistency of your products. And more importantly, I'll show you exactly how to fix or avoid them. Okay, mistake 1. Printing over the collar of a t-shirt. I'll admit, I've done this many times before, but not only do you end up with a crushed collar and an imprint on the back of the tee, you're also going to affect the pressure of the application, which is very important for durability. The solution? Thread your garment and pull the neckline off the platen. You'll avoid crushing the collar, pressure will be perfect, and all you had to do was pull the t-shirt backwards a little. Number 2, heat pressed box marks, or scorch marks as you may call them. This comes to overpressuring your heat press. You should only need to apply your decoration at a medium pressure, not a heavy pressure. You'll crush the fibres of the garment and get that horrible box mark no one wants. Sometimes they come out with time, but not always. So it's best to avoid it from the beginning. If you're applying at medium pressure and still getting a box mark, you should try applying a lower temperature heat transfer. This will reduce the amount of heat going into the garment and therefore eliminate the marks. If you would like more info on scorching, we have a step-by-step method called the arch method, so check the description for the link. Moving on to number 3, double pressing your heat transfers. If you're new to printing and only tried a few types of decoration, you may have used some that instruct you to press them, peel them, and then press again. You do not need to do this. A good quality heat transfer will only need to be pressed once. A second press is a massive time waster. Think of how many garments you could press with this time. All of our heat transfers at Styles UK are a one-step application process and have been industrially wash tested to last over 75 washes. The garment will start to fall apart before the transfers go anywhere. And bonus tip for you, if you notice that your decorations are starting to lift after just a few washes, make sure you're applying them at the correct time, temperature, and pressure. Transfers are designed to adhere with a precise recipe, so cooking them for a higher temperature for less time won't have the same result. You wouldn't do it with a chicken or a cake, so don't do it with your transfers. Let us know in the comments if you've been struggling with any mistakes and we'll fix it together. I'm Olivia, we're Styles, and follow along for more tips and tricks for heat printing.